State of the Nation's address by Her Excellency Aproko Polo. Una go dey surprised why they do all this kind of what did they call this thing? Royal introduction. Person wey we dey talk about now, no know whether she go become president tomorrow, become my people. If una see the thing wey I see, e pass person wey just come from prison matter. This conference, Her Excellency Polo now dey on the mic. She's on the microphone, my people, addressing the whole of Ghana as they release am from Unsawan prison. Come see, in fact, come see gathering. See how people pack because of one person. Wahala plenty. I say I go bring a corn aside because I no want use my own mouth. When they tell una wetin she talk and wetin she no talk, because I beg join me, make we listen to Her Excellency.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the media. My name is Rosemary Brown, aka Aproko. This afternoon, I wish to address the press and say thank you to my family, fans and loved ones for standing by me through these trying times of my life. First and foremost, I wish to thank the Almighty God who has been gracious and merciful to me. And importantly, I say a big thanks to you. I say a big thank you to the President of the Republic, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa, who, upon receiving a lot of petitions from well-meaning Ghanaians and friends, both home and abroad, to intervene in my situation, gave a listening ear to my plight. Secondly, I would like to say a big thank you to the Honorable Attorney General, Mr. Godfred Dami, for his great support and for representing the government at large in taking this matter up as an exceptional case, considering the situation of my 7-year-old son. Forgive me. I beg you, the whole world, the whole Ghana, Mr. President, my legend, my woman, oh, please, have mercy on me. Forgive me. I didn't do that intentionally. Please, I'm your kid sister, I'm your child, I'm your daughter. Please forgive me. And I want to say this to my colleagues, to the young ones who are coming, that it's not a good act. I didn't know, and I did it. And this is what I got myself into. So please, especially the nudity, I beg you, we should put a stop to it. Nudity is not good. It's not good at all. It's not just taking a picture with your son in that manner. But nudity is not good. And Ghanaians, we have our non.
The lashes alone, I bet na for me, I be na for another person. It be like broom. Hey! I beg. The thing will even grab my attention before I go enter where I want to enter. Now the English. Why should they read like that? She dey read am one like perfume rice. I no understand which one be. She go first talk, they go come correct her. She go first talk, another one they go come. As I dey see this whole matter, my people, make a first give me. See now I dey enter my office. You understand? As I dey see all this matter, if una ask me, all these leaders, e be like say they no know wetin to do again for this country. Are they serious? They no know wetin to do again. They no know wetin to bring on camera again. They no know wetin they need again as I dey talk to Nana. No, just imagine. No, imagine upon all the things, all the problems, all the things wey need to be dealt with in this country, Ghana. Now this one now can't be the focus. It can't be the most important thing now. This conference now for waiting. Abeg, may no be like say I too dey talk. Make person correct me. Say at least Madam Aproko na for this. What is the essence? Abi, what is the meaning of this conference? I need to know. Just think am. Think am well. You know how many make I first count them for you. You know how many people dey Ghana prison now, and the issue wey they get why they enter prison na just 10 cedis. Some people even dey prison, the crime wey they accuse them of, they be innocent of the thing wey they accuse them. Una do conference for those ones. No, una come outside do conference for those people wey need justice, or those people wey una know wetin they do at all. Abi, may we enter the one way the other issues where the country gets. First of all, people they die. No be joking matter. People they die on a daily. You know how many people, whether na hunger or whether na deception, you understand, all this depression and so many things. People are going through many issues. Schools get another problem. Some schools have not even get classroom. They just build the compound like that. But yeah, people they go there, they say they go learn. The ones where they teach students under tree, no even chair. They use the tree branches to sit down as chair. No, now go they listen for you if you now want make we start they listen. Some prisoners when need their case need to be investigated. Hungry child on the streets of Accra, many things. If una they look for conference, I don't give una titles and topics. Bring these things out and talk about them. Let us see how we solve it. Not the one with this one just come out from. I know just understand. Why I know if you just sit down, state on our priorities and act according to them. Now they busy, they do a European Police Conference. Like say now one vice president will come from China or from one country like that. I know just that. Wait, what exactly is our problem in this Africa? No, are they very serious? Because people know that the first person will go prison, where they are being now the first person where they grant and bail. I mean, I not just understand what is the special. I bet me I know they bad bail anybody, but I want make we look at the most important things first. I know they like the vex. You know how many people don't go prison, come back, don't do the. No, what is so special? I mean, I need answers. Oh. I need to be told something. Make una start they tell me something before I lose them. Oh yeah, me now they see me like this. And they wait for Nana Grada's conference too. She too, she go prison at the grant and bay. So when she come now, and they wait for a conference, that one too go come give us. So that go soon fire devil. Make una continue. If una no get anything to do, no ask questions. They bring us nonsense things on our screen. My people, because I don't know how many of you even they understand the conference. Me, forget them. I just say I go bring a corner aside. This one, I disagree totally, 101%. Yes. So if you know they agree with what they talk, because I want to know. And if you they agree with what I just talk to, I still want to know. So why not make the comments start the roll for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video. Because I need plenty answers. I don't know whether not only me don't decrease now. I don't know. I be make person help me. You understand? I beg, if you never subscribe to that one, I be my consignment right now. Just click on that thing. Very, very important so that you don't go miss anything when we drop here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.